Hi, I'm Marcia with Mima Wisdom Coaching, and this week we're talking about the movie Stepmom and the examples that it gives us to help us fight for our family. You know, the thing that turns the whole movie around is when the mom is diagnosed with cancer and she realizes that she's done everything she can and she's not going to beat it. And at that point, everybody realizes how important each member of the family is, both the family that's identified legally and the family that's adopted by the heart, the whole family. And they begin to find out that they really want to show love to each other. How often does your family miss the opportunity to communicate love to each other? Because we don't have forever. Be sure to comment, like, and share. I'm interested in hearing your story.